Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And luckily, this vlog isn't a construction vlog because I know you people are tired of construction vlogs. But we're there. I know this is another day in the life vlog. We're there. Man, I look a vacation, so I come in the central Jamaica side. But my virgin, man, I'm just there. All the little vibes, you know. I say. Well, some people might call it country life, but me call it a good life in the nice central part of Jamaica. Country woman, I'm a good. Don't know how I grew up, brother. Someone a day here, see you take advantage of the sweet produce of the central area, which includes nice mango. I believe them a Julie, right? I know I see the foolishness on the vlog. A Julie? You don't know yourself? Oh, yeah, people, Julie mango. Brother, that tree I never there when I doing here. I think a Julie mango this, you know. Anisha, a Julie mango, right? You don't know either? East Indian, Keshery, a Julie? A East Indian. Julie, a long one. Yeah, a East Indian mangoes.
You ask when then you have to ask.
Keshery know low-key, that might tell her. Don't underestimate Keshery.
Keshery knows your mango, that's all.
Just mango. Alright, we're good on my grandmother. But Mike gonna take up some, I think she killed chicken, so we're gonna see if we can kill some chicken today. I dog that me I worry about. You dog it now, oh, go on. Me one. I drive past a while ago, but I never see any action.
So you do what?
I said I drive past a while ago, I check if you're down here, but I never see no action. Oh.
Blessed my youth, blessed.
Yeah, I mean, the youths they want to walk today, you know?
Oh, and youth. No,
in the fire, man, in the fire. Can't breathe.
What you do?
In the fire, walk.
I turn some back for you. I smell a chicken and
Can't breathe. You see much dog up here, you?
Hey,
hey. Much dog up here? Can't breathe.
yeah, give me a number now.
Brother, you can't breathe.
Yeah, 25, 54, 14, eh?
That'll kill me.
Alright, my me talk. You're not talking ideas when you got? No man about the
That'll kill me, auntie.
That's purpose in there. Alright. So what going this?
Oh God. Mr. Gill. Oh God. Thingless. Hold on. Can't breathe. The smoke I get in my eye. In my lungs.
Wait, what's that? No, sir. Mom, not. Mom, phone, I love me now.
When I should do, I carry up some things.
So much chicken?
So call her. Yeah, sure. Take up one of them. You
want to?
You afraid of them? You not afraid of them? No. Yeah, I look like a bad sir. Here. No. What? Thank you.
Nah, get nothing else.
Alright. See what a foul head and them thing there. Auntie, when I reach up stage, when I just say foul head there in the pot, you mean when I finish kill?
Yeah.
Yeah. So dog food.
We decide to kill, not finish killing, no. If we decide to kill 50, I just 50 will stop.
Oh.
So we need to throw the head in there now.
A dog food.
Yeah, not a real dog.
That's why them boy line up so. Where is it in there?
Them boy are still. Them boy are. Really?
About a couple of them, man. I see. 11 of them, 11 more for feed. Rich people can't afford that, you know.
No, sir. But the good thing Mongrel take one head and easy.
So where you get that big one from? One at back.
Oh, that one there. That one there come in the yard, you know.
It looks a mix.
Some big dog up here, man. I'm going to see what's going. Mr. Gill. Yes.
Blessings, sir, blessings.
Yes. Yeah, man. Funny work, man. Funny work.
Yes, ma'am.
Kill the chicken over there, see, you know?
Thanks, I'm alive.
Hey. Alright, my tears up. We can't breathe. Yes, Ismash, I'm there with my grams.
Yeah, alright, you understand. And say now, come. Me man tell me, grow up now. I'm fear of a big man, you know, see? Man, I put on muscle, man, I put on belly, everything I scratch, you know.
So, yeah. Yo, I'm afraid if we go too far from everybody. This is not tangerine, this is star apple. Star apple. No, star apple. Star fruit, the other one is literally still like star. Yes, yes. My smash my group on them for me still on right now. We used to come up and run out the whole of, yo, Jovan, this go way around the scene. We used to walk from us to go in other community. By the way, we used to free if you come up here sometime. Free. Up at it quiet and lonely and the hog pen the dirt. That's so. What going?
Oh!
You walk. Oh, it's tangerine so. Walk from yesterday, brother. We walk this to go run up and down. Them bad boy look fear. We used to jump this one. Yeah. I catch you there, so. Catch a dog over there again, same way, you know? Yeah, we used to walk, brother. We used to go up, so we used to come up and just go hang out in some random trees. Hug them there, so. Same way. Folk up there, so. And I think on other tree, they did the summer boy, so we used to love raid, you know. They did the summer boy, so we used to love raid. Yeah, man. Every tree they run, brother. Every tree you can think of, there's summer around here where you can run up, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, I used to walk, but everything popped down, you know. Can't walk again. Yo, I used to love come down with my grandmother. Me still love come down here. But, you know, as adventurous as... You change your mind, you're not gonna hurt her. You know, as adventurous as once, because most of the things them break down. As you can see, look like deforestation that take place around us. Around us was a dry land, not wet. The around us was a dry land. Go straight back. But them a build house. See there? Can look on a house top. I don't know if you can see a house top there right there, so on a roof. Yo, that never used to do that, yo. That built, yo.
I'll buy it the land them.
I'll buy it the land them, man. Yeah, it's for. Ah! I don't watch the camera right now. You feel good, buddy? But what? You don't feel as cute, I'm pretty today? Don't you ever say that. Hmm? Yeah, if you know, you just not go on the camera today. Alright, fair enough.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe?
I am that.
You guys never know some investing in some farming to out the farming, same way. You know? It's my farm, what you call this now? Farm what?
Your investment.
Hey! It's my farm ground, yeah. Hey!
There's a bright girl in it.
Hey! Well, yeah, we do callaloo.
Cassava.
Jano star, we do cassava. We do banana, we do corn. What is? This a yamil?
Yeah.
We have some yamil. This one a yamil.
No, bro.
A cassava the same way.
Yeah.
Cassava. Corn. With the pear.
Cocoa.
With the cocoa. With the
cocoa, yeah.
With the what else we do? Cash. With the chicken.
I never used to have your farm ground.
Cheese. What else me do? Me do. Yeah, me do everything I can. Yeah, and yeah, we just do a little business, you know. In a COVID time, you know, we have to try make ends meet, so we have to do a little bit of everything, you know.
Trees, right?
I saw what?
No, a Ribena.
You know Ribena tree? Hey, you, if you look on the tree, you're supposed to realize that Ribena tree, you know.
You know born a country.
Them boys not born a country, man. We born a country. We know that this is a Ribena tree because
These guys
the leaf them look like Ribena. You right? Leaf.
Because
You smell it, yeah, smell like Ribena tree. Yes. You never, youth, me not smell
it's
no,
the way how the leaves are shaped.
the way the leaves then shape.
Yes.
Ribena leaf shape, so youth.
This them put in a porridge.
No, youth.
Sure, God knows say
A cinnamon leaf them put in a porridge.
Them dark.
Cinnamon leaf. You put cinnamon leaf in a porridge. This, you wait till the Ribena, Ribena do you know? You wait till the Ribena blossom and blah, and then you make Ribena juice.
We're down there, so that's pumpkin.
Go show them before.
Put it on a swag.
Everyone never see pumpkin if they ain't born.
Jesus, so I know.
You never see how them produce. You only see them on the market.
Farm ground.
Farm ground. Hey, grandma.
Those are pumpkin.
Tell them boy pumpkin. I tell them boy pumpkin.
You're not born a country too.
I mean, never born a pumpkin. You know about pumpkin. Pumpkin. They have the pumpkin vine. Plant up a pumpkin seed them. You plant up a pumpkin seeds them and then
Growing on one vine.
yeah, you see pumpkin vine. Then catch easily, very easily.
They're like 5-7 days before they grow.
Yeah, then catch easily. You don't have to do much work to it. You don't have it then, see me. Yeah.
Then see in our first vlog, one more than
So then
once.
at first one.
Yeah, right.
Yes, yes. So that is the end of my farm ground tour. Stay tuned.
I'm not even film grown.
Who buy them sitting in the market? I'm a cherry tree, man. That's it. It's a long time I not go on a cherry tree and I see like worm or anything. I eat. Yeah.
Getting pretty.
Look there. First couple of cherry them where you pick. They look spectacular. I'm just gonna wash them. Yeah, wash it. Hold on. Look there. You a perfect cherry. You wanna? You look there. Every cherry with and juicy.
So, ripe one.
Some of them sour, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not a bad one.
Humble, me say me go for a whole heap of people cherry tree. And none of them.
It's a big one.
Alright, stop now, na G.
What? Tell me stop pick down. You want to do anything. Stop G.
Not too much.
Then you want to do more. Alright, well leave. Come on.
You know, boy, this boy.
Can you hand compared to mine?
Can you eat off here
I
then?
want me eat.
Bro.
Hold on, don't turn your boy. Ah! Hold on.
Come here, go watch the what?
See how much I put at the same thing. No. Youths and youth. My one watch it. What? Oh, that. Yeah.
Come back, Mr.
I can right amount of sour and right amount of sweet. And they say they do. See how dash them with it?
Oh, the sun and nah, man. Sweat.
Nah, man, nah, lie, brother. Nah, so. Right amount of sour, right amount of sweet. Perfecto.
Dating.
Do it casually, because you know where you are. Make it look more natural, yes.
And then you put your foot on there, you pose beside
Alright.
Alright, hold on.
Things that it.
Hold on, what we have on the menu today? What we have on the platter today?
Alright,
This is farmer.
This is
Oh, you gave him a thumbnail a while ago. It's not.
That's just a Ribena.
Ribena. From that tree here. Are you plant it?
No.
Alrighty.
That's the Ribena.
Yeah, we got you traffic. Hold up. I go through traffic in Lindsay town, and where I say who can, before from this point
One
to
number.
the square, where I say out of me and him, who can score a girl's number.
One number.
So we do a drive-by now and see if we can score a number. If a girl up on his side, we see a walker come up. Alright, see what now. We can
Look at girl, look at girl, look at girl.
Look at girl.
Look.
But I say who can score. But you're dead still, but
But you're dead.
Let's
Shit.
get it. I want another but one.
I bush up and things, so I have advantage, you see me?
See if we get a number. How much it you in?
How much you in? Shit.
Let me go rush another big woman. You see nothing. Ah, can't make it, man.
It's not fatty, it's not fatty. Look at girl, you know?
Everybody, you know. Time to go look like grandma, yeah.
Who that?
Nothing. Alright, so sit there.
Wait.
Excuse me, you know me can't find.
Just.
You know.
What country girl I want?
Alright, so sit there.
Wait.
Not ready.
Excuse me, you know me can't help? You like me too nice.
Ah,
Say girl, come put
I always say we can at least in our town.
want to do something rough like what I say, yo, come put a number in this. I saw
Hold on. Alright, you have to go try that one in blue jeans in the car. Girl, don't get limited, you know. Ready?
Hey, excuse me. I know we can't find the main street. Which zone is this? Wednesday? Alright, I'm kind of not sure, like, familiar with the area. So, well, with the closest police station. The closest police station.
Alright, so I go straight now.
Oh, remember the traffic. You mind, can you get the number? So we can call this direct real quick.
We can't direct you like that.
So we just call you, just direct.
Alright.
Hold on.
Hey, on a score now.
2-2. Hold on, sorry. What's your name? Alright, no, may I call you in here?
My nigga.
Yo, police there, say that.
What's your name again, Monique?
I don't know. Pass the police. Man, score. Yo, man, I get ticket left, right, and center. Yo, man, can't take a ticket. A new style, I'll go and get. Hold on, man, I go by KFC. We not come out of everyone.
Yeah, we have to come out of the van.
Go by KFC, you know?
What KFC there?
Oh, yes, it. Alright, so I'm not in the hills, you know. So, the next girl will come, bound to get the number. Cool, I will not take L's because we're not lose. You know, we're not take losses. I can't be say score, yo. Give me one now if I'm hanging. Score, man.
Again, whenever I switch, we stop.
Yeah, why?
I swear. That girl, when Carol tilt up, me thinking this time. Tilt. Tint.
Not tilt up. Tint.
When the team, I expect them to stop, brother.
Mm-hmm.
And she stopped fast a while ago, like she never hesitate. I said, right,
Say
like
good,
this.
say good. We'll try. Alright, let me see. Hold on.
Nah, them all cologne, you.
Hello, good day. Alright, so sit there, sir. I'm gonna walk far, dude. Alright, when you reach back, I'm gonna call to you. I'll call to you when you reach back. Hello, good day. Green dress? Give me a second. Alright, guys, alright. Give me a Charlie one. Anyway, see the Charlie one. Oh, anyway, we can't take your number. Why not right now? You're busy right now?
No, I don't really get
But I just want to shoot my shot with a text. Alright, oyster.
We are done the one today.
Just give me a chance.
You want me to give you mine?
Yes.
May I take yours as well?
If you want. Alright, go on. Now, let me take yours and you take mine.
Alright, I'm gonna give you mine and then you ring me.
Alright. ring. Alright, my ring you later again here. Alright, take your ear. No, I'm gonna save it now. And you can't remind me of the name. You never give me the name, you know. What's it? Moit. Hold on. Don't stop. I get another one.
No, you move to alright.
You still get child one?
Alright, this one God bless one, guys. Be humbled one.
We call it a tiebreaker, yeah, man. But what? You feel like we have to wait to see if we can get on
On your side alone.
My side? No, not come from your side. Yeah, we call it a vlog, yeah, man.
Call it a vlog.
Team Ismash. Hope you guys.
Part too soon.
Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Still in a St. Catherine for who they in a St. Catherine now. Yeah, give me a link. I put out the vlog I was in a St. Catherine. You see me now? You don't see me yet? Already. Oh, you see me already? One second. Link still. Anyways, Team Ismash, thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole urban setting of this vlog. I know this is not a construction vlog and you guys mainly, mess with the construction vlog, but you guys, yeah, me start this channel with regular day in the life vlog and then me propel myself onto construction vlogs, and you guys appreciate it just the same, and I appreciate you guys for appreciating what I have to bring to the table. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you guys had fun watching this vlog. I'm out.